Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Guys, I know I told you in the last video that I'll be posting weekly, but I need to go back on what I said, and I'm sorry because I just want to be correct in what I'm saying because sometimes it just get busy. I was told I need to work on work-life balance, and so I've been trying to work on work-life balance. And so sometimes I just have to pull away from doing certain things and like focus on one thing, which I was focused on my boutique and my website lately, because I'm just trying to master my time management and I'm doing the best I can. So forgive me, but I will be still consistently posting, but not like a weekly thing. I'm doing the best to get to a weekly thing. Let me just say that, okay? So anywho, what we're gonna do today, I've been wanting to wear this wig for a little minute, but I told y'all that I was gonna buy the third one so I can show y'all how that one looked, and I did not know they came out with a 5 and 6. So what I ordered was a 6 from the instant up and down style. The last video I did was 1 and 3. If you have not seen that, make sure you click on that because I show you in more details of how the process went with this one. It's gonna be a little bit quicker and to the point because I already did 1 and 3 already. So yeah, if you need to see that one too, just go ahead and click. It will be provided below. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have not pressed the subscribe button, please press the subscribe button and the notification button, so when I post the next video you will have that alert. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so what we have is the instant up and down style, number 6 this time, and this is how she looks. It kind of looks very similar to, I think that was 1 I had last time, or was it 3? 1 was similar to this one, but this one is longer and it looks like it has more of a deeper curl. So there's the different styles that you can do with it because it comes in 2 pieces, as I stated in the last video. And we have color. So this is a black. Actually, this is a 2 going into 27. So 2 is at the top, ombre to a 27. Here are 2 pieces, longer version and the ponytail version. I just really love this style, y'all. Like, so I'm really excited about doing another style in my head again with this up and down style because I'd be so quick just to throw this thing on. Just throw that thing on, baby, and you on your way. You on your way. Yeah. So once again, 4 combs, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, baby. And then your drawstring is right here. Boom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick the motherfucking combs in my head, in the back, and this thing right here gonna be lifted. And then you pull that drawstring. You pull the drawstring. Okay, there you go. There you go. Ooh, it feels so tight. It feels so secure. So make sure you stick those combs in, guys, because you want it to feel really secure under there. And it feels pretty good. No shedding. How does it look like there? This is the other piece. And this is your piece. And your comb. You see this? This the braid. This the braid, okay? Stick the comb in that ponytail. Here's your piece. Here's your piece. You're wrapping it around. Wrap it around. And you're wrapping it around. Do y'all see? I just wrapped it around in a circle until there's no more hair to wrap around. Brush that thing out. Brush that thing out on this side. Isn't this color so cute? I might call this the Beyonce color. Because you know my sis Beyonce love getting this color, child. My sis love this color. If we like this one, this is number 6. Leave a comment below on what do we feel about number 6. I'm gonna take some pictures today, and y'all already know how I do it. I put the picture at the end of the video. The picture at the end of the video. The picture at the end of the video. For y'all who don't know, I post a picture at the end of my video from items from my boutique because when I do my hair, when I get cute, I have to take a picture in one of my boutique items because that's just the perfect opportunity. Why not? Fresh hair, fresh makeup. Put it on. So if you guys are interested in the outfit that I have posted at the end of the video, I will have the link below to my boutique. And there's so much other cuter stuff that y'all might like. What if you don't like the picture at the end of the outfit? What if that outfit's not for you? But there's several other options, baby. 00styles.com. And if you have seen my last video of the one I did of 1 and 3, which one is your favorite out of 1, 3, and 6? 1, 3, or 6? 1 was a shorter version of this, but it was all black. 2 was a fuller, I call that my queendom hair because it's so big and like, ooh, feels so natural. That's number 3. That was all black. And then we have 6, the longer version of 1 but in color. Anywho, I have talked enough. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. Y'all don't even know. You got faith in me because you still came back and watched a video. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, let me know in the comments how we feel about this wig, guys. And I will see you guys later.